everyone, and welcome to day 11 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today we are going to discuss 3 ways in which you can generate sequences and date calendars in SQL Server. Before we go any further, a quick reminder to solve a fun SQL riddle at the end of this video. The first method uses the generate series function, which can generate a series of numbers based on the defined range. You can cleverly use the dateAdd function with the generate series function to generate calendar values. This is the cleanest approach, but it works only in SQL Server 2022 and above. One of the most common and oldest approaches is using the master spt_values table. Again, it can be combined with the dateAdd function to generate a series of dates. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind when using this approach, that it's an old school SQL Server hack, and there is no official clear documentation on master spt_values. And therefore, it cannot be guaranteed for future versions and should not be used in production code. Using a recursive CTE is the most safe and reliable method. A recursive CTE can be used to generate a series of numbers and can be modified to generate a series of dates using the dateAdd function. Now that you're aware of 3 different methods to generate a series of dates or numbers, it's time for the SQL riddle. Post your answers in the comments below, and if you can solve all the 15 SQL riddles correctly, you get exclusive access to one of our SQL courses. See you in the next video.